Demo then? Awesome. All right. Cool. Uh, Joy, Joy, and Suso. Okay. Awesome. Thank you guys. And first, appreciate Equinix for letting us use the booth. We're partners, so they help us be here and showcase the product. So, just a little bit of what we're trying to accomplish with the product is we want to just make sure that any developer can just do any DevOps task without having to go to the whole learning curve. So that's what we focus on. And just to show you real quick why we're doing this, is because, as we all know, I mean, getting Kubernetes clusters is easy. So go GKE, you can go wherever, Amazon, Azure, fine, you get a cluster, but managing application on top of it is actually hard because getting DevOps is even harder. So there's no DevOps or not enough DevOps out there. So that's why we wanted to make sure that we can accomplish this. So if you see, we all can code, but getting the whole task all the way to deployment and scale, that's what actually takes time and money. As we know, DevOps are expensive. So, and also we want to help those DevOps that want to start in the process to get these skill sets faster, and while they're doing that, they can get the benefit of the platform. So, just fun facts. Here's the primacy of what we built in this the project, which, by the way, is open source. We actually going through the whole process with Ospology, so we can open source this and everyone can go. Pardon me?
Is it like CI/CD?
No, it's a little more than that. Because the thing is, like, if we only focus on CI/CD tools, well, let's use Harness or other tools, right? So what we're trying to accomplish here is like extract all that, and how can we help you get your repository all the way to production without having to learn everything around it, right? So it's more than just CI/CD tools. This is why we say it has to be fast. You have to be able to deploy fast. And fast means that you can actually just get your code into production in the time that you want, right? It had to be automated. That's why we focus on the second superpower. It had to be with zero trust security. We want to make sure that everything is encapsulated in the right way. It had to be with insights. That's why we focus also on that and we bring all the tools. We actually offer basically a way to use this UI in a really easy fashion way, and we want to make sure that anyone who wants to be on top of it can just do it. That's why we're focusing on CSCF projects in open source. So if you want to add something in there, you should be able to do it. And last but not least, we want to make sure that the infrastructure on top of Kubernetes actually works and you don't have to spend time. So now to the demo. So I'm going to show you what we have so far. So this is in beta right now. So you're welcome. I think you all kind of already. So please give us feedback. And if you are interested in also contributing the project, welcome, because we want to make sure that we do this right, and it's actually something that provides value. So right now, I'm presenting you the beta environment, and as you can see here, you can have multiple organizations. You can manage all you want. So let's just create a quick organization with the internet. Help me out real quick. So we are here in the Equinix. Real. Ooh, awesome. That's a new organization. Why not? So you just create an organization. Now you have the first layer for encapsulation. Talking about security, so we want to make sure that everything is encapsulated, right? And this is just not about naming spaces, right? This is also about setting up network policies, making sure that all the standards are applying Kubernetes in a way that is secure. And once we have the organization, we can go there, and then we have the first step. So we can now create multiple projects. Projects is also the second layer of encapsulation. So if you have a big organization, you can have, I don't know, your departments or whatever you want whatsoever. So let's call this one the weather app. This is kind of the example that I'm gonna use. As you said, right, naming convention. Picking a name is always hard, right? So of course here we got a card number just to make sure that everything is in place. I'm gonna use this. The most secure car in the world. You can take it, go on shopping. Why not? There you go. I'm just gonna take basically one of the plans here, whatever. And this is actually set up so you can. Let's say that you are a company that have multiple clients, because this is open source. We're already giving you the whole basically billing process. So let's say I have multiple clients. Whoa, there you go. You have your own platform engineer for you to basically sell to your customers and all that. So perfect. So we got now the organization. Step one, I need to integrate with a GitHub. right? So this is what we're gonna be doing now. I'm gonna select the GitHub repository. I'm gonna click add. I think this one is on my personal, so I'm gonna put my handle. You can follow me on GitHub. And I'm gonna select in GitHub, and I will blame anything happens wrong to the internet because it's not that good, but hopefully it doesn't happen. So let's wait for a second. It's loading. There you go. So we got here. I can select my personal GitHub, or I can just go to any organization that I want. Like my personal organizations, all that. So I'm gonna pick my personal one. I'm gonna hit update, and now it's already established the communication. And you probably guess, are you familiar with the CNC approach, right? Okay, cool. So you probably guess already that I'm using a lot of the text connections. I'm using all that internally. Coming? Okay. And after I have my connection, now I can go and hit the pipelines. So we got three things here on the pipelines. We have applications, we have environments, and we have runtime. Applications is a template. That's where the CI/CD comes in. That's why I would say it's a little more than just pipelines because we also have all the sections. But in applications, you can create your template. So I'm gonna create here. I'm gonna say, okay, I need an API. I wanna deploy an API so I can test it out. So I'm picking my integration. I'm going to the repository, and actually, you know what? I made a mistake. It's not here. I'm gonna go to the GitHub repository. I'm gonna add a new one. This is actually a way to show you that you have multiple integrations. And I'm gonna say CCP Lab because the code that I wanted to show you is actually in CCP Lab, it's not in my personal one. In my personal one, there's another one that I want to show you, but not that one. Just loaded workspaces real quick. Come on, internet. There you go. And we hit the organization, CCP Labs, update. We include a new one. We go back now to the pipelines. Go to the applications. Now, for real, we're gonna do the API. Here we go. So we select the right integration, not the one that I was doing before. And now I can pick any repository that I want. So I think this is the weather. One second. Where's the weather app? Oh, it wasn't the right. Anyways, okay, cool. So I'm gonna pick external. So I want to expose this to the world, so I will use that. Also, you can use Race to directly if you already have a deployed to Docker Hub or whatever. You can just do it. But I'm just doing the one that doesn't have any of the good stuff built in. So I'm not using Bitpacks because I already have my Docker file. So I'm gonna use this, and I believe this is where I'm gonna use my cheat here to make sure that I'm not using the wrong port because otherwise it will be very bad. So 8080, cool. So I'm gonna use 8080 right here. I'm gonna click next. I'm selecting a type of instance that I want to run. I'm gonna use a small. I can pick any type of like scaling ability here. Behind the scene, I'm using Kata. So we're basically bridging Kata into Project. So if you want to have other type of deployment strategy, we just can plug it in here. If you want to contribute, please do. I'm gonna hit create, and that's just my template so far, right? So now, next step, I need to pick an environment. So let's say that I'm gonna create my first environment is gonna be developed. Why not? Let's do it. So that's the first time that I'm deploying this. I want to make sure that it works. So I want to do and develop. And the next step, I'm going to now deploy a runtime. So the runtime is actually the time the application running. So I'm going to pick here. Now it's going to bring all my applications. In this case, I have only one, which is the API. I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to select the branch. Right now, I only have two branches, right? So I'm going to use this one first. And then I'm going to show you the other one if you want. I hit the environment. I hit next. Cool. I can do custom pipelines. Right now, we're not bringing anyone, but here we also can include like Discord, Slack, whatever you want, notifications, all that. And just to let you know, behind the scenes, we're using a lot of the tools, which we can discuss in a second while we're waiting for this to deploy real quick. Just give it a second. It's doing all the internet thing.
Convention center Wi-Fi is.
I love it. I love it. Like these steps usually take like a second. Now it's taking 10 seconds.
Billions by just making this shit not slow.
Yeah, right. But that's why this Wi-Fi is not using Kubernetes.
Then the irony of it all, guys. The irony.
There you go. So it's loading. There you go. So we're gonna click here. I want to show you just 1 second, real quick, before we discuss some of the tools behind the scene. There you go. We're gonna click a pipeline. So this is the what I want to show you. Like if you see there, basically what we do is bridging Tecton, Argo CD, all these tools that definitely is like great, but not everyone knows how to configure, right? So that's why we're here in the conference to learn how to use them. But what we do when we're in that process of learning, using tools like this will speed up your usage, your learning. You can basically do deployments in production. And once you feel like, Angel, now that I'm advanced and I want to do more, do I have to just throw away CCP or can I still use it? You can still use it because it's basically open source. So you basically can go into the project. You can add your own stuff. You can switch some different pro if you want. So you can do all that. So that's kind of what we're doing here. So this is going to take a second. So if you have any specific question, this is the right time. But this should be basically done in about 2-3 minutes. And any questions so far?
This platform is a SaaS, right?
Yeah. So actually, the way that we built it is basically an entire SaaS, right? So either, of course, we have a hosted version that we have. That's like basically our service. But if you say, Andrew, can I take this hosted myself? Do I have to do any difference to work like the way as it is? No. Exactly what you see there is what you're gonna get if you download it and you use it, right? So, like I said, the team is here because we also learning the process of open source and we want to do it right. So we went into this Polo Live and now we're working closely with the To Do group because the way that we open sourcing the product, we want to make sure that everyone can get the same benefit that we do as Cuemby. And at the end, what we do at Cuemby is basically we provide support. So if you say, hey, yo, I still need help with this, sure, we go and help you out. But as in the open source version, you should be able to just use it just fine. Any other question? Cool. You know what? So let's just actually I'm gonna show you something pretty cool here because something that we're doing behind the scene. For example, in this one, and this is a great example of right there. That's what I wanted to show you. Let me make it bigger. Sorry about that. I should have done it before. So if you see generating search, so in our case, this deployment, I did one change. So instead of using just plain Cert Manager and that's it for the certificates, I actually added the Cloudflare plugin. So any deployment that goes through this version is getting already a certificate end to end. So it's not just a flex a certificate. I'm actually getting the certificate from Cloudflare all the way to the pod. So it's secure entirely. And this is an example like, let's say, hey, can I just use something else? Sure. I mean, at the end, it's a combination of external DNS, a combination with, like, in my case, Cert Manager with the Audience CA certificate provider. So basically, you can just put whatever you want. And I'm going to copy this and see if the certificate is ready. We all know that certificates always take a little longer. Yeah, it's still generating the certificate, so let's just wait for a second. And 1 second. As soon as we get there running, we're good to go. And the internet provides, the secure. Any questions so far? It says running, so hopefully it's running already. All right, come on, run. This is the time when it usually says running and it's not running. So in the meantime, I'm gonna duplicate this tab real quick, and I'm gonna show you another project real quick while that one is finishing. And it is this one right here. Come on, weather app. Cool. I'm gonna go to the pipeline, runtime. You got one here. Come on, load. All right, so I'm gonna copy this and show you how it's supposed to be. So we want to see how is the weather in Chicago. There you go. That's how it's supposed to work. So at some point this will work because it's getting a certificate, but That's basically what it is. So at the end, like I was saying, it's just to speed up the process of getting any repository into production. Um, Basically, like I say, if you are interested on supporting the open source initiative that we're doing, you can connect with us with the to the channels, and definitely we'll love to hear your feedback. So that's my presentation. I hope you have any other questions related to the project, what we're doing.
Do you have a link to your GitHub repository?
Yeah, so that's what we're saying. That we're going through the group, and from the CNCF, and they're helping us out to understand how we should do the whole open source process and all that. So the repo is there. We still have it. The code is not available yet, but the repo is there. That's why we're trying to get people to join us so we can all together do the same process. But I appreciate it if you're interested. Sure. Thank you.
Congrats.
Yeah. So we're still online. I don't know if you have questions online. Hold on one second. Vamos a hacer la trivia. Vamos a la trivia. Hey guys, hey, don't go, don't go, go, wait, wait, wait. We got something for you. Hold on. Quiz. Okay, let's play some game. Who wants to win a nice prize? Huh? Chris, don't tag Chris. All right, so if you join us, we're gonna do a quick trivia to win cool stuff. Okay. Oh, wait, wait, wait. All right, so here's the deal. So we have some T-shirts. We also have a. Can I see it? Can I get it? So here is. Whoever is the first place is gonna get the Magic Leap one. Pretty cool for AR, VR. If you are into that. All right, so let's wait for the whoever wins. All right, so let's do it. Let's test your DevOps skills. Let's do it. Come on, join us. Oh yes. So please just join the via join my quiz, and that's the code. ¿En dónde? No, ya, ahí tengo que esperar a que se unan para poder empezar. As soon as you join, I'll start. All right, I need more people. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, join, man. Let's play a game. You let me know. Ready? So I'll let you know. So it's 12 questions that we're gonna ask. Only 12, right? But the trick is that some of the questions have different points and different type of points. So some of them are 1 point, one of them some 2, 3, and there's one or two that have 5 to 7 points. So you still can win if you find a way around to the. This is actually very inspired by the how the Kubernetes administrator test goes. So just be aware of that, and of course it's time. So we have 10-second questions. Think fast. Think fast.
I can't. I actually can't.
And I think the only one that has like 30-second question is a little tricky though. But let's do it. Are we ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
No.
Let's do it. All right, start. All right, it's timing. Which version control system is the most commonly used in DevOps process? Let's do it. All right, so we got Git, we got SVN, we got Mercurial, and CVS.
Fucking brilliant. Wait, this is fun.
Oh, whoa. Okay, okay. This is cool. This is cool. Let's go. Let's go to the next question.
That's why I can't play this game. I don't know the answer. Marketing doesn't know.
All right. So continuous integration and continuous deployment is that aim to. That's a lot of. That's a lot.
Yeah, read.
I don't even know the answer.
You don't even know the answer.
Just kidding. Just kidding. I just can't say it. All right. Okay. All right. Benji and Mohammed are very close. There you go. Who's Benji? There you go.
Take you out. Someone fight him.
One. Let's go. All right. DevOps encourage shorter deployment cycles known as sprints, marathons, relays, or dashes. Let's see. All right. Okay. Time's up. It's only 10 seconds. I told you. We got. Oh, Benji. There you go. He won't fall. He won't fall. There you go. Stay strong. Stay strong. What does I yeah, step forward the boss. Oh my God. I couldn't even say it. And that should be easy. That should be easy. Time's up. Let's do it. All right. It's not moving. Good. Stay strong. Stay strong. All right. So, caveat. All right. I'm gonna give you a second to breathe. Breathe. There you go. So, FYI, by the way, points actually also varies who's faster answering. Ah, I didn't say that at the beginning, huh? Let's do it. Go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the next one. All right. We're almost halfway there. We're going to make application configuration deployable. It will take image. Let's do it. Ready? That should be easy. Come on, we are in the Kubernetes conference. All right. Ooh, KQ. Who's KQ? Oh, there you go. All right, all right. I see. All right, next one. Let's go. And in Kubernetes, what is a node? Pretty easy. Pretty easy. What is a node? What's supposed to be a node? There we go. All right, we good? We good? All right. Oh, Elias. All right, we got it. Okay, that was easy. That was easy. Ready for the next one? Let's go. We're getting close to the end. There you go. 1, 2, go. All right. Equinix Metal provides what type of cloud compute resources? All right. Google should win. Come on. Come on. You should know. All right. Who's the last one? There you go. Time's up. Oh. All right. All right. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. Next question. Let's go. We're almost there. We're almost there. All right. What is the main advantage of Equinix Metal resources? What is it? Who knows this one? Who knows this one? Ready? Okay, there's one more. We're ready. And time's up. What was it? What is it? All right. Okay. Oh, who's Alejandro? Who's Alejandro? There you go. Okay. Okay. We're getting close. All right. So 4 more. Next question. We got it here. And Equinix Metal is known for its interconnected ecosystem. What does this facilitate? Should be easy. Should be easy. All right. And how it is? There you go. Actually, I'm gonna stop it for a second here because this one is pretty cool. Something that happens to us because our platform is actually running on Equinix Metal. Just a fun fact. So Equinix Meta is not just like, oh, we all only connect with us and that's it. No, actually have a very good interconnectivity with all the cloud providers. So let's say that you should use a multi-cloud strategy so you can actually have high availability. Actually, that helps pretty well and it connects really fast. So you actually won't lose any package and you can benefit from all the cloud providers. So we actually sharing the space. It's not about just one or the other one. It's collaboration across the cloud providers. So cool, awesome. Are you ready? Kenji's ready. I know he's ready. He's ready. Let's do it. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Go. Equinix Meta often thought low reach. What aspect of the service does this describe? That should be easy. Come on. That should be easy. That should be easy. You got it right? There you go. There you go. Ooh. There you go. It's a worldwide data centers. They have data centers across the globe, everywhere. That's why. All right. We got 2 more. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Next question. This is the one. This is the one. Let's make it happen. What Cuemby purpose to build Cuemby Cloud Platform? I just said it. I just said it. I literally just said it. Actually, who was in the Equinix party on Monday? No one? That you were, right? What was supposed to be the answer? The answer supposed to be dance all night, right? That's what we did. There you go. All right, but no, yeah. In a serious note, unleash the DevOps hero in every developer. So I said it this morning. We want to make sure that all developers can just deploy, right, without having to learn the whole thing all at once. And last but not least, okay, one more. All right. There you go. Let's do it. Last question to know who's the winner. What's Cuemby value proposition? All right. Reduce? Faster? Help? Which one? That was easy. Come on, that should be an easy point. Do I have to pick now? No, okay, no. Okay. All right. Give it up for Kenji. I guess he's the one who won, right? Leaderboard. All right. There you go, Kenji. Come on here, buddy. What can I do with this? Let's take a picture. Awesome. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. All right, so we got teachers, right? For the teachers. KG Elias, go sir. Come on, get your teachers. Thank you. ¿Cuál quedaste, eh? ¿Qué tal? Okay.
Are they all in there? There's more in the cabinet. You killed it. Congratulations.
I'm going
Best
to
cup of coffee.
I'm going to get a cup of coffee. There you go.
You killed it.
All right, bye, stream.
Whee!
Katie, amazing Katie, and amazing Zoe. Come on, say hi to the live stream.
I like
There you go.
you.